Àwọn tí ń fò fẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ Ọlọ́run fẹ́ mọ Olúwa. Àwọn tí ń fò sókè lálá o Ọlọ́run fẹ́ mọ Olúwa. Ibi tí ó kò dé kò yé mi o. Ibi tí ó kò dé kò yé mi o. Ó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yà o. Aráyé ó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yà ẹyẹ ẹ máa bá wí.
On the radio and TV, streets and the internet, all I hear is when am I gonna reply nice with a rap. Instead of dissing like they expect, I'ma talk to you like the mature man that I am, like a real man is supposed to do. When I met you, you was a studio rat in Cabasa. Then I took you up, blew you up like shooting shells from a cannon. When property degraded you, it felt like life hated you. I upgraded you, showed you the ropes, got on the same stage with you. To rugged man, you nice was first award before you got your first award. Cause of my track to you, I was like a god. I gave you the money, the fame, the wife that changed your life. Who gave you a son? In other words, you used to say I gave you life. Many before you made money, but you know drive them insane. Cause when you lose all your true friends, the only thing that's left is pain. And when your girls leave you, the only person left is pain. But you kicked her when your son out. That's a shame. You know that.
Àwọn tí ń fò hẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ Ọlọ́run fẹ́ mọ Olúwa. Àwọn tí ń fò sókè lálá o Ọlọ́run fẹ́ mọ Olúwa. Ibi tí ó fọdé kò yé mi o. Ibi tí ó fọdé kò yé mi o. Ó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yà o. Aráyé ó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yà ayé máa bà.
I don't need an apology. Your actions show you're scared of me. Save all that nuclear energy. Sort out your nuclear family. Don't let internet and fake friends make your mouth they run. Go with your people, get on your knees and beg your wife and son. Me, this you, boy, you don't want none of that. Ask about me. I ended people's careers because of that. With the kind of fire inside me, how much you go fear? Face that internet people talk. Me, I don't care. All I wanted was to clear my name off the dirty rumor. All you had to do was speak up, but you let it grow like a tumor. Maybe the way I cleared it was wrong, but you left me with no choice. You wouldn't voice the truth, so I had to become the truth's voice. You kept quiet then, now you're making more noise than a town crier. Don't say the truth, and anything you say makes you a liar. Issues with me, I'm right here, I was never missing. I'm your father in the industry, son. Talk, I am listening.
Àwọn tí ń fò hẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ Ọlọ́run fẹ́ mọ Olúwa. Àwọn tí ń fò sókè lálá o Ọlọ́run fẹ́ mọ Olúwa. Ibi tí ó fọdé kò yé mi o. Ibi tí ó fọdé kò yé mi o. Ó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yà o. Aráyé ó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yà ayé máa bà wí.
You had the guts to call me a bastard. It was something that never happened. You tried to tarnish my image and that of your wife because you wanted to sell CDs. God bless you, boy. You can diss me all you want, but it'll never change the fact that the first big stage you ever got on was through me. Your first award you ever got was through me. You started making money after I introduced you to the world. The wife you married, I introduced to you. The first child you ever got was from the woman I introduced to you. I helped you come up in the industry. I'm part of your history, and I helped form your future. Never pay back a good deed with evil. Give respect to your elders no matter what. God bless Rugged Man's fans. God bless Nice's fans. God bless you, Nice. God bless all Nigerian musical greats. Cook Beats, thank you for the beat. Sage, thank you for the mix. Ella, thank you for the hook. Enough respect to General Prince Adekunle and his supersonic sounds. God bless everybody. God bless Rugged Records. God bless Rugged Man.
Àwọn tí ń fò hẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ Ọlọ́run fẹ́ mọ Olúwa. ṣẹlẹ́yà ayé máa bá wí.